At this point, you're non-compliant in everything we told you to do. Treatment, testing.
I'm in testing.
Hold on, you're gonna interrupt me? Okay, let's get the list out. Substance abuse, treatment, testing, payments. What else? Work days. So pick one and tell me what's going on with any of those.
I haven't my classes and I haven't drug tested.
Where are you doing treatment?
Ever help?
Who?
Ever help them?
Where are they at? Okay. Have you provided any documentation to probation?
I'm not 100% there. That's why.
He's talking about drug testing, he's not inpatient, substance
Okay.
abuse treatment.
All right.
I don't know the difference. I honestly don't.
Okay, what are you on today? You're slurring your words. Well, yeah, you are. I'm listening to it. Okay. You just mumble all the time? Okay. Okay. All right, I'll give you that. Okay. All right. So you don't know the difference between treatment and testing?
Doctor, what's the treatment?
Okay. What's your doctor doing?
Because I'm in mental health therapy.
Okay.
My psychiatrist.
Beautiful. Are they doing anything for substance abuse?
Yeah, they put me on medicine.
Okay. I'll give that.
Well, I'm trying to have my policy.
Okay. Then they're not treating substance abuse. Okay? You were ordered to do substance abuse treatment in February. Now it's June, almost July. So you're 5 months into probation and you haven't done the most important thing to me, which is treatment.
But I don't know if I can go about that.
Say again?
I don't know about that.
Well, you stay in contact with probation and then they walk you through the process. All right, are you working?
Yeah, I just started
Where do you work?
server.
Full-time?
Yeah.
When you say you just started, what do you mean?
26.
Okay. And prior to that, how long had you been off work?
Long time.
But that's just bullshit.
Like year. Probably like 2 years.
Okay.
But I'm doing good at the job.
That's a plus.
I'm trying to stay there because it's
Okay.
hard. Survey is really hard.
Okay. So you've been working since May. Did you bring us some money today then?
Not today because I have to pay back rent.
Okay.
But I will be paying it off.
Ms. Trolley, what's your recommendation?
My recommendation is 30 to 60 days jail. Please.
I'm the best here. I haven't had a job.
Okay, well, at this point, your best hasn't done anything you were told to do in February.
But
And you have not been in contact with your probation department. So there's two ways you can impress me. Do everything I tell you or be in constant communication with probation so they can help you get on track.
yes, sir.
What are the chances you can get on track now that you know I'm serious about what I tell you?
So everything I'm doing and to do a class.
That's not what I asked you. I said, what are the chances you can get on track if I give you a chance?
I can. Every chance I can.
Okay. How often are you testing?
They do it random every 2 times a month.
And when's the last time you tested?
So they fix me every day.
All right. And that's through your doctor's office?
No, that's the average help from you guys.
It is. He also did test positive for alcohol on June 11th.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't know. They said 0.
You're right.
The PBT, it was probably 0, but the urinalysis detected alcohol.
Testify on your own behalf, and you have the right to remain silent.
You don't remember whether or not you've drank?
Well, I remember it was the drink was alcohol.
Just remember,
Then mine go.
Okay, brother, you'll have to explain that. You'll have to explain that statement because it made no sense.
Drinks first doesn't tell me if there's something in it, but I didn't taste it. I'm serious.
I know you are, and that's what scares me.
Defendant Richard Kier LaBelle Powell Russell operated a motor vehicle
Does Mr. Quest have priors?
and also transported a loaded firearm in that vehicle.
A prior operating officer from 2019, a public officer attempting to obstruct official duties from 2024.
Are you willing to hold his hand and see if we can get him on track before next review?
Intelligent fashion. We have
I believe I have tried to do that. This is not his third violation of probation hearing. I provided him on multiple occasions with resources on substance abuse treatment. I don't believe at this point that he's willing or able to comply.
the general
Okay.
supervision of probation department on probation.
Too little, too late, Mr. Quest. 30 days in jail, we're gonna close your file unsuccessfully.
And you're gonna be
One chance? You mean one more chance?
not to move forward.
No. No,
Additional from the state.
My job.
that's between you and Ruby Tuesday. I'll just remind you, you were sentenced in February. You didn't start working till May. You could have had most of this done by now. Then you should have contacted probation. It's not your first rodeo. Goodbye. Goodbye. We're done talking. It's 30 days.
In this courtroom, excuses quickly ran out. The defendant appeared before Judge Oakley already on thin ice after months of ignoring the conditions of probation. Instead of showing progress, he struggled to answer basic questions, appeared to slur his words, and couldn't clearly explain his treatment, drug testing, or even his recent positive test result. As the hearing continued, the judge carefully reviewed every missed requirement, from substance abuse treatment to probation check-ins, payments, and testing. While the defendant insisted he had recently started working and wanted another opportunity, the court found that 5 months had passed with very little effort to comply. His probation officer also explained that multiple chances and resources had already been provided, but nothing had changed. In the end, Judge Oakley decided enough was enough. The request for another chance was denied, probation was closed unsuccessfully, and the defendant was sentenced to 30 days in jail. It was a powerful reminder that in court, promises alone aren't enough. Consistent action is what truly matters.